The system can proactively preempt upcoming intersections laterally based on the vehicle's turn signal status. The patented intelligent preemption can preempt based on time of day of week, month of year, and other historical data. This includes predictive driving patterns by adjusting settings automatically.
We like the variability in the product because we can use the on mode and the staff can use the on mode, especially on bad traffic days when they're coming back from the hospital. In Goshen, we have one main thoroughfare in town. Often takes one of our ambulances a half hour or more just to get back in their service area. So we can use the on mode selectively, and the staff can get back to their service area in a faster time frame.
This also includes on-screen notifications of railway crossings, which are blocked or likely to be blocked, including other detailed information.